Here we have a Coates 9010 rim clamp tire changer. We got it hooked up to 115 volts and to an air compressor, and we're going to show you that it works. Okay, that's going to be the bead breaker. So okay, that's the bead breaker. Okay, this is going to be the tilt. Okay, and right here is going to be your air. So it's going to be for your inflator and also for the air from coming on the table. Okay. Okay, a few other features here is going to be the this one's a little tricky. So when you push it in, it locks it up. And then if you gotta push it out, it'll go up. But to get it to go down, it's like you slightly gotta push it over this way and you see it come down. So it's a little tricky, but that's how the switch works. So we'll try it again here. We'll push it in all the way. That'll lock it up. You can lock it up, then you push it in, push it this way, all the way. That'll take it up. And then just a slight push that way will release it and it'll bring it down. You can lock it up pretty much anywhere there. Okay, so that's the Coates 9010 rim clamp tire changer.